Hey guys, I just got these earphones from Amazon. They are from the Bakibo brand. Never heard about it, but the reviews are pretty good. Uh, they were on sale from I think 20 or $30 to 12.99. I thought it was a very good deal since they have a 10-hour charge or no 8-hour charge, and 24-hour charging box. So I thought they were a good deal. They have a lot of they have a few functions. They have play, stop, forward, volume, pause. What else? They have a few functions that you have to. They have like a tapping. You have to make a tapping motion or something. So they seem interesting, and they are the earbuds that you stick uh, in the ear. Uh, they I would like them to be the ones that wrap around your ear for when I go to the gym or something. But for the price, I just thought they were pretty good. We'll see how they uh, work, over time. I I recently bought some from Monoprice, which is a brand that I like, but they were on sale when I bought them on Black Friday. They were like $10, and but they didn't last. Just a little over the year. Uh, they just one of them that it just stopped. It died. It won't power up anymore. It won't show the light. It won't do anything. So even if the brand is recognizable, they don't always work as expected. So this is the box. I didn't show it. Hi-fi quality. It has Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest codec. Uh, it's pretty good. Each codec is supposed to be better for high quality music, and this one has the latest. It has, like I said, 8 hours, the same as the monoprice that I had before. Let me show you. They're in my pants. They they were the monoprice brand, and this is a cute little box. It had 8-hour charge also, and the box I think is I'm not sure if it's 24-hour or 18-hour something. I think it's 18-hour. It wasn't that big of a charge, but this used to last 8 hours, and I lost the little plugs. Couldn't find them anymore, so I just stuck them in the ear like that, and they worked fine. Uh, so this comes with a little USB charger, which is the latest USB-C, which I like better than the little one that you have to stick the right way. This is a charging box with the earbuds, I believe, because I don't see them here. So they must be inside here. I'm just stirring everything up with one hand, holding my. Okay, so the box seems it's a little bit, well, it's flatter than the monoprice box, but still it holds 24 hours. Like, you recharge your earbuds throughout the day like 3 times fully. So the little LED light. So if you The details said that if you stick the earbuds in the box for 10 minutes, it will it will give you a charge of one up to 1 hour, a charge of 1 hour, and I like that too because when I am working on the road and I need the earbuds, 10 minutes don't seem like a long time to wait for a quick charge, and I cannot get them out of this little. Hold on one second. They they seem like stuck in there somehow. They won't come out. I think the they used the glue gun a little too much. Hold on one second. Let me try harder. They won't come out. I don't. Should I like push a button or something? Let me turn on the flash so I can take a better look. Okay. Maybe there's a secret button that I need to push. It's a nice phone. You always want to see nice packaging. So it's not like probably not like the best quality, but it's some medium quality. If the packaging is not very good, the product probably is not very good either. So like I said, it has the little tapping motions that you do to do the volume up, play, pause, uh, previous track. I always tap my earphones the wrong way, and I always tap the music, and then I tap them again, and it won't go back to playing. So I'm not really a fan of tapping motions. I really prefer an actual button, but you get what you get for $13, right? So I don't see any instructions of push a button to eject. It should be like where this. It's fascinating that they are just like glued in there, and there is no. Well, I don't know. There's a USB-C. I'm just gonna pry them out. If they break, they break. Hold on one sec. Okay, we did it. So, yeah, it's the kind that it has a long circuit board on the end of it, so they were shoved all the way down. So, yeah, I had to do a bigger effort to pull them out. So they look nice. I saw the you probably saw it too on Amazon. This whole thing is a circuit board, and the batteries should be maybe like up here. This is a circuit board. They look nice. I actually like them. Um, we'll see how they work at the gym. I last time like I said, for the monoprice units, I lost the rubber plugs, so they unstuck from my ear very often. But I never lost them, thankfully. So there you go. This is what's the name again? Bakibo. Bakibo wireless earbuds, which they're Chinese made, and somebody just sticks their own brand on it, but it's fine, as long as they work as expected. I have no problem with it. Okay, it's asking for to be paired to the next device. And actually, these ones also you can use them by themselves. Like if you only want to use one for 8 hours, and then it dies, and then you use the other one for another 8 hours. That it can do that too, because it has two microphones on each. You can use them as your also, of course, as your smartphone headset, which I do also. These ones used to work like that too. I used to they could work separately. Um, we'll see how long these ones last. I hope it lasts more than a year. Uh, so more than a year should be. I should get my money's worth. Uh, Meanwhile, the next Bluetooth codec comes around, and the music will be a little bit more high fidelity, or more or better quality, because I usually listen to very high quality flags. So there you go. Thank you for watching this with me, and I'll see you guys later.